Anar malaken yam kana diala content barwani lingwasame ka Nuer TV. Anda manduni chan kwa nyag mala yanong rwaine gwasame. Jo ban lingwasame bana right ka kwi General Stephen Buay rolnyang. Ateka jo misha gwar wudu shalka me kirma yadit President of South Sudan. Ka dobe dana shalat ka jenu itek state of emergency mibalat rei wicha ka warab kene mayom teka jo misha kulat gwasame gorno banywa yakel. An wale a shanka jandang road ditch ka pai baro ron kina dang road jandang road ditch bana jome bana jelinkel ka do badan ande kon linga je ban je ngajen go boy rolnyang jen chaman chalat kirma yadit cheje gorno dara wolet me chang chana ko la do nena chala no native kontin la bul nuer kin nuer kontre wiki unit state mo waje gorno wa meken wa ka kap aken dial biken jien bikeno ka bon boy rolnyang raina amrai kona ku kona lana wargada no cha gor gwasa me gorno bakwen ye gwasa me ka tada en chelat ke je and General Boy rolnyang a General Stephen Boy rolnyang che sapke me yadi chejelat jor the leader of the South Sudan People Movement SSPM General Stephen Boy rolnyang say that President Salva Kiir's decision to declare a state of emergency in Warab State and Mayom County in Unity State is not right. He said the plan to take gun from civilian by force is dangerous and poorly planned. Jordan chalat gwasame and General Boy rolnyang a gentleman chalat kirma yadit a jenishima gwa a gentleman jikirma yadit lat and go be mej baga kep tin nenten kontin langwene nueri ka bom a jenna mo a micho do lut kela kurula ka nonga te jomo che jekwen tame a gentleman chalat a kirma yadit no be mej baga kep no mo che chong ke kuje mo de kirma yadit da roda palpinko da michira mo da jelat ngai konen wo Boy rolnyang aram kel mo bumbum bonde shwale South Sudan People Movement SSPM ajen bonda ente tinen Boy rolnyang an bona mone so dunde malade ajen manan en cha me cha de kep ko je kaneti kontin la ngwene nori ajeni na me shime gwa na me sha plan jek kuma kirme yadit ko mu we me gwa kep ajeno bi korba to kam ngwene nori kane SSPD ap ko jodana chalat. In a press statement on Friday, General Buay, who is also the Chief of General Staff of the United People Alliance, UPA, said this kind of disarmament shows that the government does not care about the safety of the people. Kajoma chalat guasame ala General Buay pointe a quirky Chief of General Staff ka bon dang wante konte te wan bon dang wante charin mat ka guasedan te shal ke UPA. Dio janga yen UPA United People Alliance laken ka bon wante kon te gorka mal ka kirma yadi ne de konte te katuman peace initiative re weke Kenya jen aramkel mila kwertin no ka jen la de long che kula do ne na mo wa ma wa ka kep kana ka bom jen nyu jen wo kwera mo che dier che men chala jen kirma yadi che dier ko dongde na de getek chala do men chala jen shi mo gwa ka shi plan na mo plan mo dongde la let enetin kon tila kwar ray which ka South Sudan che jomo che jakwen no Boy rolnyang chela do ne General Boy explained that respected traditional and spiritual leader in Mayom County spoke against this plan during a community meeting held on July 19, 2025 in Manken Payam. Chela do woman chala de kin yadit ba maj baka kap wacha de look spiritual leader ki kwar man mela kona lingni siang katin kona ken ka post kan de kona la jukume ne kirm yadit no kan nueri ken kel in kon te kel la kana lar no ne e chaje no ne tin kon la dit banne me ci General Boy rolnyang gela no ne me ci tok community leader spiritual leader ki traditional leader e ken taram ci no ba mej ba ka dil kap ken kola dana chala de kirm yadit ken konno lat ken jelora bang no ba mej ba ka kap but kananok ajena ku yenen me change me ci wuri shalga me ki Unity State Justice Reg BM top me ci rajo no nena e che moy ka nin dang wel dokki wel ngwan ano biya mej biya ka surrender biya ka kam kuma kirim yadit kam mi she jena ba ka kaf force kan me to ajena dana shaling me change no shajalaten wuri shalga me Reg BM top ci kon me dana ci to ga je ci kon ling bane ano ajene e charge no ko netin konti la ngweni ka charge no ko dit baranta murai kona ci General Boy rolnyang ci jom shit kana mo ci jalaran go shi tok dit ci kana lok Why is the government only trying to disarm some communities while others nearby still have guns? This is not fair. It may cause more fighting and problem. Gerald Buay said disarmament should not be done with threat or violence. South Sudan need real peace first. Kajaw chalat guasame. Ajane ngum kap kana men Nuer ka jama. Kate ka meti de kap ko community tin ko ken. Chit ka jangnan kon tika border ke unit state watel me ken shakep kwala gor jeno ba men Nuer ba ka kap ajane na mongo. Jenne me a plan me jek plan me gwa. Ajane mandan en le road en tama ajane me shi twok. Kastela mala benung no kur. Okay. Jen joran chala chenyo la do ne. He added that traditional and spiritual leaders are correct to say that disarmament should only happen when there is peace and stability. La dit kene kontin la diente ne de which mena kwa nuari diala kona tere which nuari waji kala no mugor jeno ba mej ba kep gor jeno de malde konetin kam nuari ka jang ke de kwa diala kontin gor kan ode tere malga de konluñ lode na tigamal then from there de mej de kula kep jena kameni angut korki angu narering ne jena she chuong. Taking gun from people while the country is still unsafe is dangerous. It can cause more division and fear, he said. People will not give up their weapon just because they are being threatened. Gerald Buay also said that the government plan is weak because it lacks proper preparation, proportional security forces, and support from the international partner. Kajo chalat guasame ajena kuma kirim yadi kana support the international community. Tel nedishi nok. Nobody meshi no ede me de ka kep. Bana me plan kirim yadi kana bonamanan shodi realeka. No. Gerald Buay cha jo mudien te nyokomlat je guasame mde kono nyokomlin kone. In the past, like in the Pibur area, the government tried to take guns only from the Murle community. That ended badly with violence and death. The same thing might happen again. He warned it. This kind of disarmament will only make things worse. It may allow more army groups to grow and bring more conflict. Kajo dana chalat. Ajene tako kap ka make a bomb. Ajene benung ne itong want to be kai door. Can it all kai door and then bukur batuare wika South Sudan. Ajene me chi chong. He says that disarmament in Mayom County alone will require a full army division that's well trained and well equipped. Again, a general wame waka kept. I know Buay Kelly Baladich. Benating one burin to make a match. And honor. A general more but in it to be a jiduarbo, then and Guatemala Mal Billiben, a general me she chong, and Gerald Buay rolnyang, a general guao de ne dia de par, chade kem quikel. Where will the government get such enforce resources now? A genik and kuma kirma yadit, but bomb kidid by the jingling. Kana kwakten kontin ba kula lalet ko ba mej baka kap mu korwe wotwok abnabi a kaidor namo jen kim yadi nagana rode. Trying to force disarmament in this situation is a big risk. It could lead to more loss of life and damage the future of our country. He said that. A jenemo wame waka kep nung no kurtung one tela mal me bigwa rewich kajo dana chalat guasame. Buay rolnyang aram kel mila ruwaini te gola kala de kode na de kanwa goya. No. Lianga masi kela rodiana shenyokolat. The South Sudan People Movement or People Army strongly disagree with the emergency declaration in Warrap and Mayom. We support the people of Warrap and Bull Nuer. Forcing them to give up their weapon is wrong and goes against their right. A geneo ba match Nueritin la Bull Nuer ba ka kef rei wik ka unit state kia kama yom ka bane ti kone la jang tin te ka Warap state ba meken ba ka kep ko chikan bokor ka ba ka bom jena men shi chong a jenan shan no no de match de ka kep question state of emergency chana gor me chala kid me yadi no ku me jen burwe jona ka wi diala ton alo de burwe ruwe jona tel civilian mo gor ka no tibro di ndol cha gor no na bu jalkel ne tu jalkel ba ka dil nakke ba ka kep ka ba ka yena ku me kid me yadi ti Gerald Buay rolnyang kir kulu joganena ajena me shi chong. Gerald Buay rolnyang he ended the statement by saying the only way to save South Sudan is not through violence but through unity, peace and proper disarmament that come from dialogue. We ask the government to stop this dangerous plan and focus on peace. Only peace can truly disarm our people and our land. Kajo chalat guasa me and Buay rolnyang. Ajenema gur kiir me yadi no bi mal be ben ke ba me ba ka kep. Ajenema nyam ana tike mat kam ne ken. Akwara ka tike mat mala nonke denne kon beken mej beken gatop karodien. Duno mu ka kep ko bom bi din ngaje no tele me shale mal me beben. Jome che de kwen ajan nan en gore de nywa yekel jarol Buay rolnyang aram kel milet kajen Ramadan en shaling no kwer ka United People Alliance no kan bondang wante konte shure wich ka Kenya ko bugurudien mat ka bekante ka de kel so nde dien kel mo chikani mat gwa kel la UPA ko ba ka bot kwera ni am propaganda mum jen la chief of general staff ne ka jen United People Alliance mane ke UPA che logo no ba me ba ka kep re wich andan en chalke mayom mu wa me wa ka kep so ngai kon manan butuok okay ngai kon no me wa ka kep bine tan wana ken kan war bugo desha ano ka chikir me yadi chebu go jen ko gole jogono mo ko dor kene dia ti bugo re rop jin kir me yadi bi resource ne biga jing te nyi ka ken wanen konen che joy dor ajana me che chong withdraw a case of emergency nyok jin ba chujo gorono bi mej bi ka kep kana goremal manena alat kana mala jen bi mal bene show wi na kep ka bom jene she butu ko mo jome jen jodana gore de nyoga yekel men chalat general Buay rolnyang so dio je message de very clear long kamet kondi alkaje an ban nyogo digum radien bi atagamal bye bye.